The whole story starts with a drop of water reaching the earth. The water drops gather and form enormous bodies of water. A staff of 12,000 ISKI personnel are working enthusiastically and selflessly to get 3 million cubic meters of water every day to a population of 16 million and a moving population of over 20 million. Istanbul Water and Sewerage Administration is planning its investments by considering the present and future of millions of lives. In a vast geography expanding from the Istranja Mountains to the Melen Basin, dams, regulators and wells that have an annual yield of 1,660,000,000 cubic meters feed Istanbul with water. Istanbul is mainly supplied with surface water resources. Water that is collected in dams and regulators is delivered to the city after being treated. Water is collected in dams and is transferred to 19 drinking water treatment plants. Here, the water is carefully treated. After treatment, drinking water is supplied to the people in Istanbul via transmission lines with a length of over 20,000 kilometers. Of course, water is not just consumed for fluid need. We need water in all walks of life. The electricity we consume, the cars we drive, the clothing we wear, everything bears the traces of water. Now hold on tight. This is where the most striking part of the tale begins. To be able to turn the consumed, polluted water into a reusable form, namely recycling it. Part of the water that is treated in biologic treatment facilities is used for the watering of parks and gardens. The water that is used in houses and businesses and becomes wastewater, which then travels through 17,000 kilometers of wastewater lines. 17,000 kilometers! That's more than enough to travel to the other end of the world. After a tedious journey, the wastewater arrives at one of the 84 wastewater treatment facilities. The water that has been treated at biological water treatment facilities is used in parks and gardens, and some of it is used in industrial facilities. Istanbul Water and Sewerage Administration handles the treatment of 3.5 million cubic meters of wastewater every day. The total of annually treated wastewater is 1,400,000,000. Yes, we are back where we started. The natural water cycle, supported with smart network applications, will continue as the miracle of water. We are in Istanbul for the future of water, which is the focus of sustainable and economic development. ISKI, the guarantee of clean water.